Hello?
Hello. Oh, well.
Hello, YouTube out there?
Chicken jockey.
I'm going to actually wait. I wanted to get this page up that we wrote in our notes. Finding your probability is the number of outcomes that satisfy the requirement
Of.
In other words, whatever we're looking for. Whatever we're looking for.
Exactly.
So if we're looking for
the chicken jockey,
heads or tails, right? Then let's say we're looking for heads. How many heads are there on the coin? There's one out of possible two. And what's on the bottom? Total number. Right? Get it. So on a dice, on a regular dice, how many possible sides are there?
water bucket release.
All right.
Hey,
Please sir. Oh, that's not facing forward. Sit properly in your chair, please. All right. So So it's the probability out of the total. How many possible outcomes are there for a dice?
6.
6. How many, everybody?
83.
6. You have to know this. How many? 6. Okay. You're going to get a lot of questions that are dice. Okay, we got Jack Black. Let's hear it for Jack Black. Okay, Jack, let's go. How do we do number 1?
So, first, you have to count how many possibilities there are on the wheel.
Yeah, how many are there?
There are 6 possibilities on the wheel.
Correct.
And if it's saying to, what is the possibility of not landing on B, you're gonna count all of the wedges other than B. So that would be
what are those?
A, C,
C,
D, E, and F.
Okay, that's 5.
That's 5. That's 5 out of 6 possibilities that
Correct.
don't require B.
And so that's our answer, 5/6. Good job, Jack. Okay, now we have Baloney. Let's hear it for Baloney. Okay, Baloney. How do we do number 2?
So, on the wheel, voice, it says, like A in parentheses, so you have to find the A, and it's like, there's 6 things on the wheel.
6 total, so what do we do with that 6?
But at the bottom, it's the
Yeah,
denominator.
on the
Denominator. And then you find the A, that's 1, because 1's 6.
There's 1A, only one of them. But what if there were more than 1A?
Give me 2, 6.
Then you count them. Okay, good job, Baloney.
Thank you.
Okay, now we got Banana. Okay, Banana. Let's hear it for Banana. All right.
Okay, for number 3, it says to find the probability of F or C. So that's 2 we're finding. And there's 6 total.
6 total, and how many for F or C?
We're trying to find 2. We're trying to spin 2.
There's 2, right? Okay, so what do we write?
2 out of 6.
Correct, 2/6.
And then you can simplify that into 1/3.
Right, so we divide both of these by 2, simplify 1/3. Very good. Da-da-da, da-da-da, does whatever a spider can. Let's hear it for the friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. Alright, what is the probability of spinning a letter A on the spinner and then rolling a 1 or a 4 on the dice? So we're going to take each of those separately, right? And then what do we do with those 2 fractions, Spider-Man? What do we do with the 2 fractions when we get them?
Multiply.
Right. Very good. Okay, so let's find the first fraction.
Okay, so for the spinner, it's 1/6.
Right. Very good, because there's one A there. 1/6.
And then 2/6 for the dice, because, there's a 1 or a 4, so it's
1
2.
or a 4. And that 2/6, again, can reduce just like we did up here. Reduces to 1/3. Okay, so what do we do?
Multiply 1/6 and 1/3.
Correct. And we get?
1/18.
Yup. Good job, Spider-Man. Oh, wait, and you're doing number 5, too. You want to read it, or do you want me to read it?
You can read it.
There is a 50% chance of rain. Select the statement below that is true. So we're looking for the best answer, right? So what do you think, Spider-Man?
C.
C. I agree. Equally likely means 50% chance it will, 50% chance it won't. Excellent. Now, Spider-Man, I'm gonna ask you another question. What if it said 0%?
Impossible.
Then it would be impossible. Impossible! And what if it was 100%?
Certain.
Then it would be certain. Yeah? Pretty easy, right? But somebody said likely. That's kind of true, right? But the better answer for exactly 50% is equally. All right, let's hear it for Spider. Let's hear it for all of our special guests.